Hi guys,
Oh my
so
God, I'm
right
so
now
happy
we are all at the
they used to-
Riverwalk. We are all at the Riverwalk. We are just walking around. We are having fun at the Riverwalk. We were going to Blue Star, and there's something right near it. It's an ice cream place, so we're definitely going to get some ice cream. So guys, let's just take a little bit of time and acknowledge this place. Like, look how beautiful this place looks. There's so much wildlife here, like all those birds. Lots of birds.
Oh, you did? Good.
chirping.
Okay, well, we're still walking. We're going to get ice cream for the kids,
Lots
and then we're heading back again.
Oh, I stepped on it.
Yeah, we're going to
Yeah, guys, don't ever do that. It's bad to litter, but let's just look around. It's so pretty here.
No, I don't think
There's
we
so
are.
much wildlife. There's beautiful, dirty water, but at the same time, it's pretty to be walking around here. And all these places, it's just so beautiful to Riverwalk. It's just so beautiful. It's a very pretty place. Wow. Look around. Look at all this decoration. Like, whoa, there isn't some walks missing. They put them in places that they belong in. This place is beautiful. And look, you could
I made her a boy.
You made her a boy?
Yeah.
Guys, this is my cousin Hannah. Hi. And even look, we could even rent bikes. It's so cool around here. Wow. It's beautiful here. We're going to go get some ice cream, everyone. Yeah.
Watch where you're going.
Yeah. This is my grandma. You saw her on one of my videos.
Yay!
So you might know her. Remember she's the one making those funny faces on that Piper's funny face thing. You've seen her before. Wow, this place is pretty. I see people rent bikes and they ride it. That's one of the biggest things about downtown. The Riverwalk is downtown, but that's one of the most famous things about the downtown is getting the bikes where you could ride on, or electric scooters, electric bikes, lots of stuff. And even stores like Pokemon stores. There's even, I think here before I went to like a Legoland or something downtown, yeah. Like, look how beautiful this place is.
Show it. You're not showing it. Show Pioneer or show it.
What in the world is Pioneer?
It's a historical place here.
Wow. Guys, this place is beautiful while we're walking in. And now we're back downtown. Downtown is very fun, isn't it, Mama?
Yes, baby.
Put it in your backpack.
Okay, hold on. Let me find out.
Guys, this is my mom. Y'all might have seen her in plenty of videos. And she is world famous for being pretty. Did y'all know that?
Thank you, baby.
Um,
For being a veteran.
Yes, thank you, honey.
yep,
Alright,
that
I
is
gotta
so
find out
true. That is
An
so
ice
true.
cream place. I know it's somewhere around here. I
Yeah.
saw it last time.
Wow, guys, look, there are stairs we go up.
Let me ask them if somewhere.
And guys, look how cool this is. Look, Mama.
Let me ask somebody something.
Look,
Hold
there's
on.
like a big hallway down here. It's a hallway.
Let's wait out here. Wait out here.
Guys, let's just acknowledge this place. Like, look how cool this area is. Like, there's a big hall. You could just walk around and you could see all these cool places.
Show me in the camera.
Hold on, I think it's this way.
Oh,
Hello. Thank you. This way.
Let's get ice cream. Y'all want ice cream?
yeah. Yeah. Let's go get some ice cream. That's who's vlogging.
Oh, good.
And that's my grandma, and there's Aunt Tracy.
Yep, actually no one is mine.
Her real name is Tracy Castillo.
Yeah, Castillo.
And Levi Mateo Castillo.
Yeah. I'm the Levi
What's your middle name?
Guys, if you're new to the channel, please
Betty Jean
subscribe to
McGee.
the channel. Just please subscribe, yo.
And Grandma is
Oh, look, there's sushi.
Betty.
I don't know where the ice cream place
Betty.
is. A lot of places.
Betty
Yeah? Okay.
Jean
Let's go this way. Let's
McGee.
keep on walking, guys. We'll find it.
Look, there's sushi here.
Yeah.
That. Awesome.
So look.
It lights around.
Then,
Yeah.
look at this whole section. Oh, there's closed off. That whole thing. I'm so good at that.
That's a
There's the person who's vlogging, Levi.
Yeah, I'm the creator of the channel, Levi Castillo.
He was the best.
Yep.
And there's this big person.
This one, look how beautiful this place is. There's some
Trying to figure it out. She said go through. Do you know where Gelatos is? Where Gelato, I forgot, for the ice cream places?
That's us right here.
That's you?
Yeah, but we close at 8. So it's just during this time we normally we used to close at 10.
Okay.
But just with the current condition
Yeah.
and everything, on Fridays and Saturdays we close at 9 now.
Okay.
But it's just
That's
yeah.
okay.
Sorry about